If you're serious about improvement, you should have immediate answers to two critical questions. This week, we're off balance on purpose in Portland. This week, I have two critical questions and a plan of action to help you get better faster at pretty much anything you desire. Are you ready? From whom are you learning? And who are you teaching? Those who are serious about growth have answers to both questions. They have coaches, mentors, and teachers, usually in specific areas, but they also have people that they choose to coach, mentor, and teach. Why is that? Why are both aspects essential? Well, because growth is not a project you complete. Growth is a mindset that you cultivate. And because learning is continuous and your potential is infinite, you are simply participating in the flow of improvement. There's you, and you desire to grow in some areas. Opportunities to grow flow toward you by default or design. You demonstrate how you've changed by how you relate that experience to others. To flow at full volume, you must ask, learn, and teach. Some people resist asking for help and instead just want to learn it all on their own. Well, that's possible to an extent, but just imagine how your learning would accelerate with a dedicated expert who knew how to teach or coach you. You know, enlisting the help of a true pro also creates structure and accountability. And let's face it, who you choose to learn from reflects your self-expectation. Will it be somebody who's just a little bit better than you, or from a true expert who really inspires you? Other people are mired in their own misery. They know they need help. They get a lot of help from experts, but they're not seeming to get better. Now, when I coach such individuals, I usually ask them, well, who are you helping? Who are you coaching and teaching? Now, this flips the script because they don't see themselves as being able to help others grow. Trust me though, no matter where you're at, your experience can be a benefit. And we all have the opportunity to help someone else. And if you're not teaching, you're not fully participating in the flow of learning. Teachers will tell you their greatest personal breakthroughs happen while they're teaching others. So instead of fixating exclusively on your own development, take an active interest in someone else's. This week, give serious thought to these two questions and take action. Find a new teacher, or a new student, or both, and double down on the learning. And you know, to make this idea even more impactful, I've decided to give away 3 personal coaching sessions with me, which I really hope that you'll take advantage of. And let's get serious and work together on your personal growth opportunities. So follow the link in this post to apply for that right away. And let's continue to get better together. Until next week, stay off balance on purpose.